Stop! 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 I told you stop like 50
Obviously, I couldn't
revolutions
hear you. What
ago.
are you saying? Of course, I can't hear you.
Well, you were supposed to be paying attention to me then.
All right, what up? Good morning, y'all. Real quick, let y'all know, my guy Jack, the donkey, if y'all don't know, passed away. Jack, as I understand, is like 25 to 30 years old. So, moment of silence for Jack. But I still got to get busy because it's still a homestead. And today I'm going to be working on getting my attachment put to the top of this thing. So it's already got a couple of holes, but I think I got to drill some more holes to get that thing on there. And real quick, I'll show y'all. That's the hardware for it. And then there it is. So it's gonna let me put the receiver on there. Or this is the receiver. It's gonna let me put my hitch on there. Let's take it. So this bad boy is gonna go on there like so. What I really got it for was this 2-inch receiver. I'll be able to pull stuff with this in particular. Pull that powerhouse, put stuff where it need to go, but also do a little heavy lifting. So with that said, I got 2 holes right there that do not match up. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes that I need to drill in this thing. So let's get to it. Let me set that inverter up real quick and grab one of these batteries, and I'll tell you about the battery as well, but grab one of these batteries so I can get some power to this drill, and hopefully I have the bit. Come on. I think the bit I need is, well, if I can use one of these. All right, there's that, y'all. Like with all the batteries I get in, y'all, I charge them up at home using grid power. So I already fill that up. Let's see what's in this box. A few different kind of screws. Those are terminals. And then they come with these clips. They're just ratchet straps. And then it comes with this little screen. It is a golf cart battery. So if y'all are in the market for a golf cart battery, then you'll need the home charger, which comes with like your standard plug with a ground on it to connect into this 48 volt charger. Just like all the rest of them, y'all, they are heavy. All right, y'all, so this is my all-pump 48 volt 100 amp hour Life PO4 low temp protection. Max current is 100 amp, but the max discharge is 200 amps. So yeah, y'all, the all-pump, I'm gonna be using it just like I use my other batteries, just like I'm using it today for something real quick to power up my drill to put this attachment on my bucket. All right, y'all, I went and grabbed myself a chair. And what I'm gonna do before I hook any of this up, first I wanna let y'all know, if you're new here, I appreciate you coming through, checking your boy out. This EG4 I've been using to clear this up for people if y'all don't know, but I've been using it to test all the batteries that I get in. And the reason I've been getting so many batteries is because your boy is just a little bit paranoid about having enough power when I bring my whole family of 4 out to the homestead. Anyway, let me get going. First though, I'm gonna hook this up so I can see where the battery is. I can see its state of charge. I can see what's going on with it. And they give you plenty of cord. Turn that on. You can see that it is at 100% and on standby because the battery's full. The discharge is on, so it'll give power, but right now I'm going to turn that off. And then if I go to page 3, it tells me about all the cells in this battery. So it gives you exactly what you need. But for now, I'm going back to page 2, and I have discharge, that right there, turned off because I'm about to mess with this battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect my positive and negative out of my inverter to the positive and negative of the battery. And once that's done, I'm gonna take my drill from over there that I'm supposed to be working on that project and see if I can get this thing put on here, y'all. I've been needing it on there. So I'm gonna take this pencil real quick. Grab one of these punches, and I think I got my 3-pound hammer somewhere. Woo. Y'all saw that video with me cleaning up, got your boy organized. That looked dead in the middle for me. Yep, that's in the middle. All right, so I can move this down. Take this punch, kind of get me a hole started in the middle of each one. And that's just so my bit has something to catch on to. This is what I'm plugging in. I'm gonna go up through the bottom just a little bit so that I can make sure there's no frayed edges. Since that was the first one, y'all, let me grab. There we go. So it does fit in the new hole. Damn. Nice. See if it, yep. Nice fit. If it's too tight, I might have to widen them if I'm off at all. But let's see. So the bag has the what look like lock nuts, so I don't have to go get them, which is excellent now that I can see it clearly. And washers for this, so there we go. Lock nut, washer, 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 washer. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's put the washers and the lock nuts on. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, this is a regular drill. It's not a driver, so it's gonna go down, and man, ain't got no speeds on it or nothing. This. Do this last. All right. Yep. I can hook my chains to it now. I got all my pieces. I can connect whatever I need to connect, pull what I need to pull, load what I need to load. This is sort of a game changer. May not matter now, but down the line, it's gonna really be a big deal. I wanna let you know, the all pond, it did what it was supposed to do. Y'all know I done other testing. It's at 98%. And then real quick, here, just so I could show y'all the app, says it's on. I'm gonna go to dashboard. That's that one. 98%. It's a cool looking app though. Has the on and off for at the top charge MOS and discharge MOS. Gives you the temperatures, and what's most importantly, you can see that the cells are balanced. So it gives you a list of all of the cells. I'm gonna click down at the bottom. There's your language, your temperature, your version, so it can be updated. So you can see right there where it says power that it's drawing from what's already connected, the screen as well as the inverter is pulling that 74 right there. And then when the drill's hooked up and going, 355 it looked like. Let's try it again. You ready? Let's go. That was a dope surge. So it surged, it looked like, to around 600 watts. But I did just want to show y'all the app, and I gotta get out of here. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow. The video ain't over. Let me grab that hitch off the car real quick. Oh, they're out. Oh, they around. Gotta get close. You're gonna get the camera. Whoa. That's the wrong way. You see how high I need to get that? I need to switch the ball around. It's the thing. Lift the thing up. You ready?
I've been ready.
Okay.
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 Let me see if I can show y'all what he's been tripping about. Let me see if I can get up there. Okay, look at all these in the window. Look at that. And they're all in that top corner too. Everywhere.
We're gonna have to fog them or something.
I know the window's dirty, so it's hard to see, but they are in.
Oh, they coming out now.
Like a swimwear.
They coming out. There we go.
Got straight.
You are correct.
A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay.
Trigger finger. I know, we finna get them. Hey, we appreciate y'all. Homestead Homies. Oh no.
Look, we didn't survive this long. We can't go out with a sting.
Listen, hold on. Look, Homestead Homies, T3 Tribe. We out, man. We finna try to kill these wasps, but we need to be able to move around quick. You know what I mean? Peace, y'all.
Bye.